So you're learning Spanish and you already know some of the numbers. Maybe from 1 to 10, maybe from 1 to 20. But there are some numbers you always keep forgetting. I know! Hola, hola, soy Tommy. And today we will learn the numbers in Spanish from 1 to 100. However, I want to make this more interesting. Which in turn sounds scary. Not at all. Relax. Just please don't tell me we're doing math in Spanish. Maybe. But first, instead of learning the numbers in order, I want you to learn 3 numbers in Spanish first. Which are cinco, cinco, quince, quince, cincuenta, cincuenta, cinco, 5, quince, 15, cincuenta. 50. Great! And why are we learning the numbers like that and not in the proper order? Most of you guys have already either learned or heard the numbers in Spanish at the very least from 1 to 3. Uno, dos, tres. Exacto. But the 3 numbers with which you struggle the most are cinco, quince, and cincuenta. That's why I've decided to turn these 3 into the first 3 Spanish numbers that you memorize. Oh, and the rest? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Now, something about el número uno. Uno is the number 1 in Spanish. But when you use the indefinite articles, we use un masculine, una feminine. Por ejemplo, un chico, a boy, una chica, a girl. And it would be wrong if it said uno chico, right? See, that would be wrong. Uno is just a number, 1. Now we have once, doce, trece, catorce, and quince. Muy bien! These numbers sound a bit different, yeah? Once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. Afterwards, the numbers sound more regular. Dieciséis, dieciséis. It's like saying diez y seis. 10 and 6. But everything written in one word. In case you feel like writing the actual word and not the number. Diecisiete, dieciocho, diecinueve, veinte. So we've counted to 20 in Spanish. Veinte. Then we have veintiuno, like saying veinte y uno, 20 and 1. And does the same rule as número uno apply to veintiuno? Sí. If I say veintiuno alone, then I just say veintiuno. However, 21 chicos, 21 boys, 21 chicas, 21 girls. Every time that a Spanish number ends in uno, we need to change it to un if we use it with a masculine noun, and to una if we use it with a feminine noun. And the rest are easier. Veintidós, veintitrés, veinticuatro, veinticinco, and so on until treinta, 30. Onwards, you write the numbers as separate words. 31, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Can you spot the pattern here? You just have to say 20 or 30 or 40 plus y plus the other number. So, 41 is 41. Correcto. 42, 43, 44, 49, and how do you say 50 again in Spanish? Oh, 50. Muy bien. So now you only need to learn the basic numbers. 60, 70. I must say I find 60 and 70 kind of confusing. Okay. I know you can get easily confused by these two. 60 and 70. But pay attention, yeah? 60 S, that's 60. 70 T in the middle, that is 70. 60, 60, 70. 70. 80, 90, 100, 100. So let's go over our first three numbers one more time. Cinco, 5, 15, 15, 50, 50. 5, 15, 50. Very well done. Eso es todo por hoy. The whole list is below in the video description. Muchas gracias. Adiós.